Hello ladies and gentlemen, Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist. This is where the FEC Little River Spur once was. This is Southwest 21st Street facing west. And here, this fence was recently put in because they found some contamination where the hiking trail was going to be made. Here we can still see some of the signs that say FEC, private property, no trespassing. This would have been Track View North. Beautiful vegetation in this area. Love those pine trees. Standing right on the rail bed right now, as I said, facing north. I don't remember if this was a gated crossing or not. Let me see. Yeah, actually it was a gated crossing. Well, that could have been. No, there's no way that could have been, because that's right on the track. That was something else. This probably was just crossbucks, because I do not see a relay case or. Yeah, no, there's no relay case. There's no wires coming from any power lines. So yes, I'm gonna take an educated guess and assume that this was a non-gated crossing. Track View South. This side, there's no, they recently paved this road, you can tell. No advanced warning signs, no pavement markings. That's 22nd Street over there. It's just like this one, boring old crossing with no evidence. However, Coral Way, there used to be an old WRS cantilever, and we're gonna go over there and see that. So, alrighty guys, thank you for coming along on this tour of this former crossing. Leave me a comment. Thank you as always. Subscribe if you haven't. Take care. Bye-bye.